Today is Tuesday, July 14th. Get ready, follow along with me. What it's like to be the church sound engineer, given we have Bible study today at 7:30 p.m. So let's get it, y'all.
Alright, y'all, so I'm put on some music real quick and then turn on the speakers. Alright, so I gotta turn on the speakers and everything. It should be good though, so just letting this MacBook load real quick. Alright, a little bit slow. Alright, let's go. Alright. Play this. Alright, there we go. Alright, y'all. I just got the music. Let me just turn on the speakers. So I'm just plugging everything in. Alright. Get these lights going. I'm gonna get the mic real quick so I can switch out the batteries. Yeah, right now I still have time, so I just want to make sure we're ahead. We got the mic, so. Alright, we just got the mic, so we just switch out the batteries. We'll switch out the batteries real quick. All right, y'all. So this is a setup here. Just like a sermon. So it's a little like calmer back here, you could say. But right now I'm just focusing on these Bible verses. This is a software we use. That's this monitor we have where you can see everything, and this is what we use to like stream and all that. And I haven't really touched the mixer today, but in case I ever need to touch it, it's right here so I can touch it and mix all that good stuff. But yeah, this is a setup, y'all.
Dios le bendiga, Dios le guarde, iglesia. Nos vemos el viernes a las 7:30.
Alright, y'all, we're done. Alright, y'all, so we just got back home. Yeah, it was pretty chill. Right now, just got a little snack. But yeah, that's it. It's currently it's like 10:40 p.m. if I'm not wrong. But yeah, it was pretty good. Word is powerful. But yeah, that's what it's like day in the life. Sound Engineer Tuesdays. Alright, y'all. Thank you all for watching. I hope that you're able to understand and see what it's like to be the church media director slash sound guy at my church. Specifically when it's Tuesday. Tuesdays are different to our Friday and Sunday services. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope that you're able to see, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you have not already, and like this video. And Jesus loves you, and I'll leave you with this verse.